What's up, guys? Christopher Ramirez coming at you with another review video. And before I start this review, what I would greatly appreciate you do right now is go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel before I start. It would greatly support the channel a whole lot, and I appreciate it. Now that done, let's get to it. So SMSBot, okay? It's an autoresponder. They're claiming to be one of the first SMS autoresponders, but I beg to differ. But it's okay. It's not about that. It's beside that, okay? In my opinion, it's always great to have another form of reach, okay? Because text message marketing and like the Facebook bots, even, they're known to have a better reach and click-through rate off top. So yeah, pick up the product. Go back to the email and pick up SMSBot, okay? And if you don't like it, I'm sure you can get a refund. No big deal, you know. These vendors are pretty good about it anyhow. So yeah, now that said, if you have any other information you want to know about SMSBot, just go ahead and leave a comment, okay? And there's also going to be some links in the description, all right, guys, on exactly what I'm doing. That's actually free to start, okay? You can click that link below, or you can even message me on Facebook if you don't want to click that link and get on the list. You can message me on Facebook even, okay? That link will be right there. You'll see it say message me on Facebook in the description and in the comments, because I'll have the comments on a pinned post with me also commenting my pinned post, okay? Just kind of dropping some YouTube nuggets right there for you guys. Anyhow, take action, use these tools, don't ever start stalling out, just keep moving, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Try out SMSBot, okay? Peace.